today we're gonna do a showcase of the new Atomic Dissembler. See his LMBs. Does around 9.9, so I would say 10. Now let's see for Atomic 1. Long range. So that's our long range attack.
There you.
Alright, and let's test out the second thing. It's a spike. Okay.
6.7.
Yeah, not bad.
Oh, let's go over here. Alright.
Alright, and then the next attack is throwing a rock. 8 damage.
Jeez, I did a lot of damage.
8 damage. 8 damage for the tankiest. Now let's test out the flamethrower now. Now, if I am correct.
You.
Yeah, just wait. Oh yeah,
Use.
23 damage, 31 damage plus fire. Did it
Anyways.
minus your defense attack?
No.
No. All right. So it's just okay. So it's just for. I think that's it.
Use your.
Oh yeah.
No,
Oh yeah. Damn
use
it.
the other
I'm clicking on one, but it doesn't work.
Oh yeah, I think it has a cooldown. Wait for your other flamethrower.
Oh, there we go. All right, now let's test out one. Fire. Oh my god, my frames! Holy sh! Wait, why am I? Wait. Why am I moving in slow motion?
Oh yeah.
I'm moving in slow motion, or am I just fat? Ow! Oh yeah. Also, by the way, it does auto heal. He has a passive where he heals. Atomic 2. It seems is this character.
A lot of damage.
This character seems like a Asgore ripoff, just like in this phase 2. All right. So guys, we just realized there are some new attacks he has, which you need to jump at and he does indeed double jump. So today we're gonna we're gonna try them out. With first one, Atomic with jumping. Let's see. 15 damage.
Jeez, 16.
Yeah, 16 damage. All right, so next one, Atomic 2 double jump. Oh.
7.8.
So basically, Thor's smash, rock.
Yeah.
Oh, it's just fire.
Yeah, so it declines so they don't get close to you.
All right, again, just in case. So we need like a better view. Again.
Jeez, now it's flying.
When it's your turn. All right. Oh, looks fantastic. All right, next one, Atomic 2.
Oh yeah, it still hit me.
It does auto lock. All right, flamethrower is.
Whoa.
It doesn't fly, but this time, let's try again. Kapay! Oh!
Oh, that hurts.
Next one, hold still. I said hold still. Like this. Looks awesome, and the last one is gonna be Atomic 3, which is the same thing, nothing special. And the flamethrowers do not work while jumping.